In this box I have a China-made LGA 3647 motherboard from AliBaba. The motherboard is called P11SPM-I. This is a micro ATX motherboard with a dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet adapters and 6 memory slots. Let me take it out of the box and show you how it looks like. So here is the motherboard, and it looks very much like ASRock or Supermicro motherboard. And even though on AliBaba page you can see the memory slots to be black, in reality they are blue. Also on AliBaba page you can see that these mini SAS connectors are soldered, but in reality they are missing and you are limited to just these 6 SATA ports. Still, the motherboard seems to be pretty well equipped for a micro ATX form factor. We of course have 8-pin, 24-pin power connectors, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4-pin fan headers. I have no idea if Smart Fan function works on these fan headers or not, and how much control we will get through IPMI, because here we have a Speed AST2400 board management IPMI. Of course, the VRM looks suspiciously bad, but I will have to check how much it actually can handle, because according to the seller, the motherboard shall have no problems running with 205-watt TDP CPUs. And we have all 6 memory slots for 6 memory channels of the LGA 3647 platform, which is this socket. Then over here we unfortunately have only one PCI Express X16, and then we have 2 extra PCI Express X8 and one M.2 slot for NVMe SSDs. In my opinion, this is kind of blasphemy to have so few PCI Express lanes routed to the CPU, when these CPUs have at least 48 PCI Express lanes, if I remember correctly. But for a micro ATX motherboard, if the price is right, it could be okay. Then we also have USB 3.0 header for the front panel, and these two are USB 2 headers for the front panel. In addition, we have USB 3 ports right on the motherboard, so you can plug in here a flash drive and install your TrueNAS or Unraid or some other operating system from a USB flash drive if you would wish to. The motherboard also is supposed to support TPM 2.0 module, but I'm not quite sure where it's supposed to be connected. Maybe it's here, or I don't know. I will have to figure that out, because the seller claims that the motherboard indeed supports TPM 2.0, but I'm yet to figure out which exact TPM works here. Looking at the rear I/O, we don't really have anything interesting here. We have a COM port, we have 4 USB 3 ports, this one is Ethernet IPMI, then we have 2 2.5 gigabit Ethernet adapters, and VGA output from the Speed IPMI on the motherboard. So, if you're interested in a detailed review of this LGA 3647 P11SPM-I motherboard, well, then follow me on my main channel, the review will be published there.